chapter, playing with images in paint. Now, you can see paint has many tools you can use to make changes to a picture. You can crop a picture, delete it, resize it, copy it and so on. These tools are present on the clipboard and image groups. Now, in this chapter, you are going to study how to select a picture. How you can select a picture? To make any changes to a picture, you have to first select it. You can select the entire picture or a part of it. We use the select tool to select a part of the picture that you want to change. To select a picture, you have to follow some steps. Click on the down area under select in the image group on the home tab. Depending on what you want to select, you can select a square or a rectangular part of a picture. Click on rectangular selection. To select an irregular part of a picture, you have to click on the freeform selection. Then drag the pointer over the part of the picture you want to select. On releasing the mouse, a dotted box appears. This happens when you use both rectangular selection and freeform selection. For selecting the entire picture, click on the down arrow of the select tool. From the drop-down list that opens, click on select all. Then click on the delete to delete the selected picture. We also use the delete option to remove the selected part of a picture. Next is cropping a picture. What do we mean by cropping? Cropping means removing a part of a picture. To crop a picture, you have to follow some steps. You have to click on the arrow under select in the image group on the home tab. Click on rectangular selection on freeform selection. Drag the pointer to select the part of the picture you want to keep. Click on crop in the image group. The part of the picture you want to remove will be deleted. The selected part of the picture will remain as it is. Now you have cropped a picture. Now you can save this cropped picture. This does not change your original picture. To save the cropped picture, you have to click on the paint button. Point at save as. Click on the file. Type in the list that appears on the right. The save as dialog box opens. Type a file name in the file name box. Then click on save. Now the cropped picture is saved. Next is resizing and skewing a picture. What do you mean by resizing? Resizing means making changes to a selected part of a picture. You can resize a selected or a part of it. That means you can make it smaller or bigger. You can also skew the selected picture so that it appears slanted. Skewing means making the picture looking slanted. To resize a selected picture or a part of it, you have to go to the image group on the home tab, click on resize. Then the resize and skew dialog box appears. In the resize and skew dialog box, the maintain aspect ratio box is checked by default. So the resized picture will have the same proportion as the original. Click on pixels in the resize area and then enter a new value either in the horizontal box or in the vertical box. There are two boxes, vertical box and horizontal boxes. You can either enter the value in the horizontal or in the vertical box. The other box in the resize area is updated automatically. Click on OK, then the picture will be resized. That means if the value is lesser, it will become smaller, and if the value is bigger, the picture will be enlarged. Now next is skewing. To skew a selected picture or a part of it, you have to click on resize in the image group to open the resize and skew dialog box. Then this resize and skew dialog box opens. Type a value in the horizontal box to skew the picture horizontally. And if you want to skew it vertically, type a value in the vertical box. Then click on OK. If you have typed a value in the horizontal box, the picture will be skewed horizontally, and if you have typed the value in the vertical box, the picture will be skewed vertically. Now the videos are uploaded after the class. Next is rotating and flipping a picture. What do you mean by rotating and flipping a picture? We can use the rotate button in the image group to rotate or flip a selected part or to rotate a selected picture or a part of it. To rotate or flip a selected picture, you have to click on rotate in the image group. From the list that opens, then a list will open. From the list that opens, click on one of the rotate option. That means you have been given in the rotate options. Rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree, rotate 180 degree, flip vertical, flip horizontal. These are the things that we can see on the rotate option. Now click on one of the flip options if you want to flip the picture. Next is moving and copying a picture. You know how to move and copy a picture. After you have selected a picture or a part of it, you can copy or cut it. This helps you to make copies of one picture or move a picture to a different location. We can see the copy, cut, and we can use the copy, cut and paste option for this. First thing you are going to study is the cut and paste. That means you have to cut a picture and paste it in another location. To cut a picture or a part of it and paste it to another location, you have to first select the part of the picture you want to move. From a picture you can either select a part of it or you can select the whole picture. Now go to the clipboard group and click on cut. In the clipboard group, click on paste. The pasted picture will appear in the top left center of the screen. The pasted picture will appear in the top left corner of the screen. A dotted outline shows that it is still selected. If you move your mouse pointer over it, it changes to a four-headed arrow. Click and drag the picture to place it where you want. This is what cut and paste. Next is copy and paste. To copy a picture or a part of it and paste it many times, you have to follow some steps. You have to select the part of the picture you want to copy. Click on copy from the clipboard group. Next, click on paste from the clipboard group. The pasted picture will appear twice. This is what copy and paste. Next is transparent selection. You have to include the background color with your selection. Clear transparent selection in the selection option drop down list under select. Now when you paste the selected part, the background color will appear along with it. If you do not want the background color to appear when the selection is pasted, click on transparent selection. Now when you paste the selection, the background color in it will not be seen. Next is pasting an existing picture into Paint. To paste an existing picture file into Paint, you have to click on the arrow under Paste in the clipboard group. Click on the Paste From. The Paste From dialog box appears. Find the picture file that you want to paste into Paint and click on it. Then click on Open. The picture gets pasted in the opened file. After you paste the picture file, you can edit it without changing the original picture. This is what all things you have to study in this chapter. Now, I think all of you have understood the chapter. Thank you.